G'day guys, in today's video I'm going to take a close look at the snatch grip rack pull. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so I've got the rack set up at the knee height. You can go slightly lower if you want to. It all depends on what you really want to recruit. From the knee you're taking a lot of hamstring and glute out, so it's a great lower back extension exercise. So instead of trying to really focus on hamstring and glute drive, as much as it's involved, you're really looking for lower back extension. It's a great exercise also for upper back development. And I also love the rack pull just for the grip strength application. So with the wider hand position, it's a lot more challenging to hold the weight for most people. To work out exactly how wide your hand should be to be in a traditional snatch grip position, just hold an empty bar up in the top position of the rack pull, and just widen your hand so that the bar is sitting level with the AS-IS, and that's the width that you'll use for your grip. So here's a back view. You can see that the upper back's really tight and involved. I'm corkscrewing into the floor with the feet, so I've got the femur really and the knees externally rotated out so that we've got that hip stabilization for the spine. It's a big belly breath in, and then I'll lift and I'll let it out at the top, big breath in again before I lower back down. All right, so we're trying to keep those shoulders retracted as tight as possible, the elbows pointing back a little bit. And remember, we're really looking for lower back drive here, lower back full extension. So that's where the focus is in the movement. So as I just go into a still now, I just want to reinforce the importance of creating the tightness in the pull. Each rep is individual. It's the same setup that you go through. If you're doing a set of 6 to 8, it's the same setup for all 6 to 8 reps. It's a reset, elbows back, shoulders together. Take that belly breath, create that tension, screw your feet into the floor, activate your glutes, lift your posture up, full body tension to start each reps. It's gonna, be the difference between a good set and a great set. So especially as you start to fatigue, it's easy to let go of some of that tension and not reactivate and set yourself up ideally. Put as much effort into your setup for each rep as the trying to lift the weight itself. All right, guys, let us know how you go. Cheers.